Allergies can be difficult and uncomfortable condition to manage. In this video, we discuss the symptoms and how to manage them. We also discuss how to identify and manage allergies so you can enjoy life without suffering from the symptoms. Learn how to identify and manage your allergies to live a healthy and comfortable life.
Do you have any pets?
Actually, I don't. We live in a flat, and my dad is allergic to cats and dogs.
Allergy to cats and dogs. I haven't heard about it before. What are the symptoms?
Sneezing, a runny nose, as well as watering or itchy eyes.
That's too bad.
It can even include breathing problems or a skin rash for highly sensitive people.
Is he taking anything for it?
No way. He doesn't take any particular medication. Keeping pets out of the house is the best and easiest way to manage a pet allergy. Have you ever suffered from allergies before?
Yes, I come down with them in springtime, and suddenly, it starts with a sore throat and so on. Always carrying a lot of tissues and taking anti-allergic pills isn't very pleasant.
Are you serious? Are you taking them? They make you sleepy.
Yeah, I'm always sleepy in the spring.
My family never takes that stuff. My mom makes a kind of drink with vinegar, some lukewarm water, pure organic honey, and fresh mint. She believes it reduces the signs of spring allergies. We have a glass once a day during spring.
Wow! Sounds delicious.
Yeah, it is worth trying at least once.
Sure. I'm willing to try it right away.
Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, like, and share our videos.